Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Elden Ring on your Android smartphone. So to do this you'll need to get the Elden Ring on your Steam account, and it only works on this one and not any other platform. Now let me show you the Steam Link app on the Android smartphone. And you can check how to set it up and download it in our previous video. Here I have everything working, so let's click on start playing, enter the pin code, select connect. Now you should see your desktop on Android smartphone, so navigate to the play, click play. Let's do this with mouse, just to save some time. So the game should open. Now we can click anywhere just to get to the gameplay. And the game is ready, so you can navigate with a joystick right like this. Now to move around, use the left side of your device, and that's the default controls. You can use the controls also like this, but to change them, click on the top left corner and you can adjust any of the settings right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.